Markets behave like Mumbai rains, sunny one moment, stormy the next. There are scenarios you have no control over, which severely impacts the global market. Like the reciprocal tariffs announced by US President Trump brought a huge fall in the market, and when the tariffs were paused for 90 days, the S&P index grew by 9.5%, which was its third best day since 1940. Now, to help you navigate these hiccups in the financial market and make good returns, we will discuss tactical ETFs or exchange traded funds. Additionally, we will look at different kinds of ETFs such as volatility, short and leveraged ETFs. Now, as the name suggests, tactical ETFs are the ones in which fund managers tactically invest your capital in assets by looking at short-term fluctuations. It is not an official industry category but a widely used term among investors and analysts. But remember that these are highly risky ETFs because they operate on short-term tactics in order to benefit from short-term market trends. It mostly helps investors by rapidly adjusting to market conditions, trends, and economic events. Therefore, these ETFs offer flexibility to manage risk and maximize profit during market volatility. Let's now talk about different kinds of ETFs to invest in during different market conditions. First up, volatility ETFs. Market volatility is a concern for every investor, except for those who invest in volatility ETFs. These ETFs help you make the most out of market volatility or the price fluctuations. It tracks the volatility indices like the CBOE Wix, which measures the volatility of the S&P 500 index over the next 30 days. One thing you must know before investing in these ETFs is that these are not suitable for the long-term investment but to hedge against market volatility in the short term. Also, the value of these ETFs increase with an increase in market volatility or price fluctuations. Let's look at some volatility ETFs and their returns. Number 1. ProShares Ultra VIX Short-Term Futures ETF. This ETF tracks the ProShares Ultra VIX Short-Term Futures Index. As of 30th April 2025, it has gained an absolute return of 40.69% year-to-date. Number 2. 2X Long VIX Futures ETF. It tracks the portfolio of first and second month VIX futures contracts, and as of 30th April 2024, it has generated an absolute return of 20.96% year-to-date. The second is short or inverse ETFs. Recently, we have seen global markets take a free fall. But a drop or correction in the markets doesn't always need to mean losses, right? That's why during such fall, investors can consider short ETFs. These are also called inverse ETFs as these move opposite to the underlying index or asset. This means that during a market downturn or fall, the value of a short ETF soars up. Now let's look at some of the short ETFs. Number 1. ProShares Ultra Pro Short S&P 500 ETF. This ETF seeks to provide daily investment returns up to 3 times the inverse of the daily performance of the S&P 500 index. From 2nd January 2025 to 8th April 2025, this ETF generated a return of 55%. Number 2. ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ ETF. This ETF seeks to provide daily investment returns up to 3 times the inverse of the daily performance of Nasdaq 100. It gained over 69% from 2nd January 2025 to 8th April 2025. Third is leveraged or long ETFs. Now, if the markets are soaring high, then with long ETFs, you can amplify your returns. During the market upswings, these ETFs employ 2 to 3 times leverage in order to maximize the returns of an underlying asset. But this also comes with a higher risk. Hence, usually investors with high risk tolerance invest in long ETFs. You need to be careful while investing in long ETFs as leverage can maximize both profits and losses. Now, if this interests you, here are a couple of long ETFs that you may consider. Number 1. ProShares Ultra Pro S&P 500 ETF. This ETF tracks 3 times the daily performance of the S&P 500 index. As of 30th April 2025, this ETF has generated an absolute return of 264% in the past 5 years. Number 2. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF. This is one of the largest leveraged ETFs that tracks the Nasdaq 100 index. As of 30th April 2025, it has generated an absolute return of 222% in the past 5 years. So, this is everything about ETFs with respect to different market conditions. Global markets help you track a country's growth. Volatile ETFs are a savior during uncertain market conditions. Short ETFs help you during bear markets, and long ETFs magnify your returns during a bull run. Now, we recommend investing as per your risk appetite and always doing the due diligence before investing your money in any asset. So if you found this video helpful, click on the subscribe button and let us know in the comments what would you like to learn next.